I'm Ottosson, and this is the dog hide and slide. It's a puzzle game in level 2, difficulty level 2, and it suits all kinds of dogs, from the smallest dog up to a very big dog. This game, you have to start with the easier play. You just place treats in the compartments like this and cover with the flaps or cover with the blocks, and the dog has to slide this and take the treats. Or if you have swivel the flaps, the dog has to swipe them away to find the treats. But for a more advanced play, you also place treats inside the block like this. And then you cover with the flaps like this. And the dog has to try to move this. But before they can do this, they have to swipe away the flaps and then push the block, hold away like this, and then the treats fall out in the compartments. Put treats inside the block, lock with the flaps, and the dog has to try to slide the cups, but first they have to remove the flaps, slide the cups, and the treats fell out in the compartments, and the dog can get them. And all this is in 4 different directions. This one they have to slide that way, and this one have to slide that way. So this is a great puzzle to start with, because there has no removable parts. But as always with treat puzzles, including food, you have to supervise your dog and teach the dog the playing rules, so the dog understands what they have to do, especially the first attempts the dog trying a dog puzzle. Have fun, bye bye! Varsågod.